Everyone, welcome back to Coffee with Chrisi. Super excited to feature again one of my favorites in Central Ohio. Hi, Trisha.
Hi, Chrisi.
So this amazing rock star here, we are up in Delaware, has grown, and she has a lot to invite you to and to check out. So let's talk about, first of all, where are we standing? We are usually over there.
Yes, I can see my old original purple door. It's right across the parking lot, but now we're moving to this new purple door two new purple doors. Two, what?
Yeah, one, two. Yeah. And where are we?
We are just south of downtown at 325 South Sandusky Street, right off the main road. You come up a hill, you can't miss it.
You have been working so hard to get to this point and to be ready to open.
Yes.
So do we have a launch coming up?
Yes, so July 3rd is our party in the parking lot. I do things big. What can I say? I'm a little extra when it comes to parties. So for my grand opening, I have live music. I have 2 food trucks. I have a magician. I have face painting. I have cotton candy and snow cones and all of the above, plus local businesses you can shop with, raffle prizes. Oh yeah, and tours of the new place.
Exactly. And when is it again?
July 3rd from 10 to 2 right here in the parking. This will be my 4th time I have paired with over 30 local businesses, including you, to put together a fun family holiday bag. So inside there is lots of stuff, sweets, treats, trinkets, and more is basically our little tagline. And July 3rd is also the pickup for those. So if you haven't got one yet, there's about 20 left. You can find the link on my website, or I'm sure you can put it on here somewhere. So you can pick those up or get them that day if I still have any on July 3rd, but it's supporting lots of local businesses.
That's the whole key. So if you don't have one, by all means, I'll help you get information on how to get it. But I really want to focus in on you and your passion for Delaware. Trisha's all about local. She's all about our community and to giving back. So I love that you've partnered up to help other local businesses out there.
Yeah, and they'll be here on July 3rd too. They have booths to sell their stuff, and they'll all have little fun family activities for you to do at their booths. So,
all right. So you've been working hard, and I want to see. Are we able to head inside?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, Trisha, we are back inside.
Yes.
There's 2 names on here.
Yes.
Tell us about this. We know.
Yeah. So Canvas Creations, we're staying the same as far as that goes. We're just moving across the parking lot. And then with the other part of this big, beautiful building, we are opening Creations venue.
So let's get creative.
Yep.
And create memories, relationships, and good times.
Yep, keeping it all in the same train of thought there.
Awesome. So we will head over in just a minute to your Creations venue and talk about that space. But right now, this is quiet.
Yes.
You've been working here so hard.
Yes.
Working to the bone.
Yes.
To get this gorgeous space together. Tell us what's this going to look like when people start coming in?
Well, this is where you will paint your canvases. I'll have the tables and chairs in here. There will be stuff on the wall. There's stuff on the floor. This is where you're going to come create your creation. So it's crazy. I am coming into my 6th year of being a business, which is insane. There's still people that don't know about me or what I do. But I do paint nights. So you can come into a public event if you don't have a group. If you have a group, you can schedule a private event. We do girl nights, ladies nights, birthday parties, Girl Scouts, a couple nights. Any reason to get together for a reason you can come paint. I walk you through step by step every little instruction, and your masterpiece will end up mine. And then you leave here with the memories and the creation that you made.
I've been here for all of it, from parties to across the parking lot to your original venue, and now you've doubled the size.
I know, I got goosebumps.
Delaware County, all of Central Ohio, you've got to get out here. Support my dear friend. Support your creativity. You don't even know how. Actually, let's ask about that. Do you have to already be creative? Do you have to be an artist?
No, not at all. I make it so simple. As long as you know your shapes, your ABCs, and your 1, 2, 3s, you can paint with me, I promise.
I'm pretty good on most of those. Well, this place is just awaiting the anticipation and the fun.
I know. The moving starts now.
Oh my gosh. So let's head over and look at the other side.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right, so let's go.
So this is officially Creations venue. Delaware is an amazing place to hold memories, get-togethers, family things, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, all of that stuff. And we need more places. So Creations venue came to mind because you can create memories, create good times, and create relationships. So that is what's happening here. You can use the space for any of the above.
So this space, in the size of it, is fabulous. It feels very quaint, but yet there's a lot of seating. How many people would you be able to accommodate in this space?
So with the tables, we can accommodate 48. If you didn't want tables and you just want a chair set up for whatever reason, 50 is an easy number. Also a little tidbit, you get a full kitchen and an outdoor patio as well when you book the space.
And an outdoor patio?
Yes.
I have some ideas for some events. We'll be chatting soon.
Yeah.
Trisha, this is just one part of your business.
Yep.
It's exciting that you have expanded.
Thank you.
Delaware loves Canada's creations for you, and now your creations venue.
Yeah.
Excited. So thank you.